Hey class, it's Mrs. Welsh. Well, here it is, the fourth unit, and I hope everybody's surviving well. We're trying to make it so that it is not taxing for you, but we want you to learn. And last week, you all did great. You actually got the concepts of the behavior changes. We need to change our behavior. If you aren't in the mindset of exercising, you need to make a routine, and you need to make a design, and we need to design an exercise program. So what we're going to do this week is we're actually going to watch two videos. Here on the screen I have designing exercise, fitness, or wellness programs. So I do have a sheet that I had in last week's program as well, but the very first video you're going to watch there on YouTube is called SMART. You have your exercise. When you set a goal, you want to be specific, you want to be measurable, you want that goal to be attainable, it has to be relevant, and of course you want it to be time bound, because if you have this unending goal, you'll do the old I'll start again on Monday, or you won't put an end to the goal. So you want to put a time limit on it. The second YouTube video that you're going to watch is actually about designing an exercise program. Now remember, you're going to see in this video where he's talking about different movements, different weights. Think about being at home. I know over COVID, I was exercising on Facebook with friends, and a lot of them couldn't get exercise equipment or didn't have exercise equipment. So what they would actually do is they would fill up gallon jugs. One, actually her brother was a construction worker. He brought home these bricks for her, and they filled up bags full of sand. So use cans, use weights, use something around the house, use your own body weight. Just get creative, but get moving. So what you're going to see right here in this paper that I have on the screen is core muscle strength and stability test. So when you start a workout program, you know that you want to exercise, you know you want to change something, but do you really know if you're making any improvements? Now you can jump on the scale and you can see that you're losing weight if you want to lose weight. You can see in your arms if you're getting muscle tone, or see it in your legs, and often you see it in your clothing. So a lot of times when somebody wants to lose weight or tighten up, tone up, they notice that their clothes are fitting a little differently. These are great. But what I want you to do at this point is test yourself. I want you to get down into a plank, and let me move this, see if I can go down here on this page. This page is one of your handouts. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull this handout up, and you're going to do a plank, and you're going to be instructed to have a watch or a clock in your room handy, something with a second hand, or start your cell phones. Everybody has a cell phone, so get your timer on your cell phone going, or your stopwatch on your cell phone, and you're going to do 15-second intervals. So the very first thing you're going to do is do a plank. You're going to get down in your arms, forearms, and up on your toes so that you're out straight, and you're going to hold that. The next thing you're going to do is turn on your side, and then you're going to turn on your other side, and then you're going to lift one arm, and then you're going to lift a leg. So go through the routine. It's all spelled out really nicely. Now you'll notice that in this paper I have a highlighted two words, and if you hover over that, and you'll want to click on that, and it'll bring up a whole nother page of how to do movements that will be beneficial to you. So anytime I have some highlighting on here, you'll want to click on that, and it brings you up to a whole different page. Now, you will have a quiz at the end of this, so don't forget to go back and do your quiz. It'll be based on SMART, the SMART to get to your goals. It's going to be on design exercise program, and I want to hear how you did on this core strength test, because you're going to do it now, we're going to do it midterm, and we're going to do it at the end. So we're going to test ourselves. I also want you to get out and walk. I want you to share with me how many steps you're doing a day. There are plenty of apps on your phone. Use an app. Try to increase your steps. And the last, but very important, is your design exercise program. So it was on last week's assignment. And this week, it's actually going to be another handout. I want you to print it off if you can, or download it to your phone, or you can put it into, any digital version that you want. And I want to see a design. I want you to hold on to this, because by the end of the semester, you're going to have a couple things that you're going to need to hand in. So one of them being your exercise program. I want you to decide what you're going to do. I like to run, so my running goal would be maybe training for a half marathon, or some sort of distance, or maybe to increase my pace, or maybe get some other kind of training exercise into it. Or I like to walk fast as well, so sometimes I'll challenge myself to see how fast I can walk. So I might set a design program to walk at a faster pace, or to start lifting. I know I could build my strength up a little bit more, so I could design a strength program. Anything is fair game. Even if it's yoga, if you just want to do flexibility exercises, I just want to know that you're getting some sort of exercise. Now, of course, cardiovascular is best if you're getting some sort of exercise that's going to raise your breathing a little bit and get your heart pumping more. And of course, strength training is ideal as well. You want to keep your muscles strong, bone strength, bone health, keep that osteoporosis away. And of course, last week we had that whole, coverage of how good it is for us. So, so check out your homework and your assignments and your handouts, and view the videos. If you have any questions, I'm here. You can always reach out to me. But good luck with it. Have fun. Like I said, put together your exercise design, and I will ask for them eventually, not this week, but get your quiz done and have a great week. Thanks so much, and have fun.